Assessment of tubal factors in infertility. Role of clipping in hydrosalpinx before IVF. Tubal recanalization in modern era. Evaluate total laparoscopic hysterectomy versus non-recent vaginal hysterectomy. Management of ovarian malignancy in a 22-year-old lady. Maternal near miss, obstetric audit. NIPT, non-invasive prenatal testing, sperm retrieval techniques. Diagnosis and management of morbidly adherent placenta. Management of endometrioma in a young infertile woman. Premature ovarian failure. Time-lapse imaging of embryo in IVF lab. Complications of ART. Genital tuberculosis and infertility. Unexplained infertility. Complication and management of monochorionic twin pregnancy. Monitoring during TOLAC, that is trial of labor after cesarean. Problems during second stage CS. Non-oral hormonal contraception. Advantage and disadvantage of newer progestins. Non-contraceptive benefits of combined OC pills. Role of hysteroscopic in gynecological conditions. Complications of hysteroscopy. Preventive steps one should take to avoid complication of hysteroscopy. Distinguish between physiological and pathological vaginal discharge. How will you evaluate vaginal discharge to accurately make a diagnosis in a woman of reproductive age group? Therapy for various vaginal discharges. Define chronic pelvic pain. What are the possible contributory factors for chronic pelvic pain? How will you investigate and manage chronic pelvic pain in a 27-year-old lady with secondary infertility? What are the symptoms of menopause? Treatment of vasomotor symptom of menopause. Prevention of postmenopausal osteoporosis. Define precocious puberty. What are the causes of precocious puberty? Outline its management. What are the histological categories of gestational tropoblastic neoplasia? Work up for a case of gestational tropoblastic neoplasia. Therapeutic options in low risk gestational tropoblastic neoplasia. What is FIGO classification of system? For causes of abnormal uterine bleeding in non-gravid women of reproductive age group. Management of abnormal uterine bleeding in a case of heavy menstrual bleeding in a 38-year-old woman. Causes of genitourinary fistula. Outline the principles of management of post-hysterectomy fistula. Enumerate complications of female sterilization. What are the techniques followed during hysterectomy to prevent vault prolapse? Surgical procedure in case of post-hysterectomy vault prolapse. Guidelines for nuchal translucency measurement first trimester fetal anomaly screening. Standard examination of fetal anatomy in an anomaly scan at second trimester. Define fetal growth restriction. Enumerate the causes of fetal growth restriction. How will you manage a case of fetal growth restriction at 32 weeks? What is the differential diagnosis of jaundice in pregnancy? Write the diagnostic criteria. How will you manage a case of acute fatty liver of pregnancy at 34 weeks of pregnancy? What are the causes of recurrent pregnancy loss? How will you evaluate a non-pregnant woman having history of 3 abortions? Plan of management of pregnant women having history of 3 intrauterine deaths at term. What are the causes of PROM? How will you confirm the diagnosis of PROM? How will you manage a case of PPROM at 33 weeks of gestation? Significance of uterosacral ligament in gynecology. Anatomy of female perineum and its application in obstetrics. Amendment to original MTP Act. PCPNDT Act for the obstetrician. Role of ultrasonography in infertility. Uterine artery Doppler studies in pregnancy. Diagrammatic representation of fetal circulation. Pregnancy of unknown location. Examination of victim of sexual assault. Intrapartum fetal monitoring. Physiology of coagulation during pregnancy, mechanism of disseminated intravascular coagulation, blood transfusion and component therapy in DIC. Explain the differences between a longitudinal and cross-sectional study using suitable example. How do you calculate sample size of a therapeutic trial? How do you evaluate the scientific validity of a research study? Biochemical markers used for diagnosis of fetal anomalies in first trimester. Diagnosis of congenital diaphragmatic hernia during pregnancy. Effect of rubella infection on fetus and its prevention. Safety of vaccination during pregnancy. Critically evaluate the role of neoadjuvant chemotherapy in ovarian malignancy. New guidelines for screening of carcinoma cervix.